Hello guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In the last video we have seen how to use AND logical operator with scripting. Now in this video we will learn how to use OR logical operator in scripting. So let's get started. So if you understood the last concept of AND logical operator, it's really easy to understand OR logical operator. So we will take the example which we have taken in the last video, and we will have the student's age or anybody's age here in the age variable, and then we will just evaluate that age. If the age is greater than 18, and in the last video we have seen AND with the AND operator, we have added one more condition that if the age is less than 30, then we will say it's a valid age or it's not a valid age. Now this time, for example, we want that if the age is greater than 18 or age is less than 30, then we will say that age is valid. So instead of using the AND operator like this, we can just use double pipes to use the OR operators, right? So we will just take these square bracket, and in the first square bracket you can give the first expression and then these two pipes for OR operator, and then use the second expression which you want to evaluate. Now this OR, if you already know, is for logical OR. So if any of the condition separated by these pipe is true, then it's going to give this valid age. Otherwise it's going to give the other condition which is in else statement. If both conditions are false, then the code will go to this condition or else statement. Okay, so let's run the script and let's see what happens. So our age which we have given is 60. So in this case the age is greater than 18 because 60 is greater than 18, but it's not less than 30. So only one condition is fulfilled, and then we will just run our script and we will see what happens. And it says something is missing. Yeah, I forgot this space here, and once again I'm going to run this script, and it says valid age because one condition is fulfilled and other is not, right? Now for example, we will just give some age in which both conditions are fulfilled. We will still get the same answer or result which says valid age, right? Now for evaluating the false condition, or to come into the else condition, for example, I gave the age 25 here, and instead of greater than, I will use equal to here and equal to here. Okay, and then of course the age is not equal to 18, and of course age is not equal to 30 because it's 25. And let's run the script once again, and it will say the age is not valid. And it also gives me the warning that this square bracket has some problem in it. So we will solve it by giving the space here once again, and then once again we will run the script and it says age is not valid, right? So this is how you can use OR operators. And of course, as AND operator, the OR operator also have some options. So if you want to use the OR operator with one bracket and not two bracket, you can just use -o for OR operator and the result will be same. So let's run the script and the result is the same. So you can use double brackets and those two pipes for the OR operator, or you can use this flag -o for the OR operator with single square bracket. And the last way you can use this is using the double square brackets, and in here you just need to give double pipes once again, as you have seen in the AND operators also, and the condition still will be the same. Okay, so as the AND logical operator, you can use the OR logical operators also in three ways. One is with two brackets and these pipes, and other is with the flag and single bracket, so -o flag and this single square bracket, or otherwise you just need to use double brackets with the OR operator pipe. So you just need to write something like this, and between the two square brackets you can give the pipe for OR operator. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.